Okay, today's fun Saturday pre-Easter project was getting the Starlink satellite off of the ground because of the cable and the satellite itself being on the ground and the basketball hitting it and whatnot. So I had to get it up and out of the way. And also, we're getting here into mowing season. So whenever I would weed or mow, you have to worry about the cable as well. So like a lot of people, it's time to get it up in the air, off the ground, away. So what I did was drop the fence post, a ground rod, copper wire, the pole that came from Starlink. I got an L mount here to brace it on, some conduit clamp mounts, and put the satellite up there. It's about 38 inches off the house so that it has plenty of room to rotate. Then I fed the cable through the soffit up in the attic, and I'll explain why in a moment here. Let's go in the garage. Okay, and then I have my router in the garage, and it's been here for quite some time, and it does very well. Reason being I have it here is because our driveway gate is about 300 feet away, and I can have a camera on that gate. And because of the router being here, I get great reception. So if anybody's at the gate off the Ring camera, I can easily see who it is. So it works great in here. Here I have the cabling going up through the ceiling. I just have here the tape because the hole that I drilled for those, I forget what they're called, but I'm not going to call it the wrong name. But anyways, it allows you to not have a hole there in the ceiling so the wire can be fed through, but it looks good. I'm going to take that off in a moment. The outside one was cut a lot better basically, but now everything is off the ground, so mowing around the wires isn't an issue anymore, and it was actually pretty easy to do. The hardest part, I would say, is getting all the different hardware parts for everything from the mounting and the hardware for the post, the conduit clamps, etc. basically, but we're very happy with it, and it's off the ground, so yay. All right, have a good one.